Family, friends, colleagues and well-wishers said goodbye to the late CEO of the RJ Communications Group, Anthony Smith, on Sunday. Now, Mr. Smith, who passed away on December 14, was remembered as a steady and reassuring voice, especially in tough times. Details in this report from Nakinsky Robinson.
The Thanksgiving service held at the JC Auditorium in St. Andrew was attended by hundreds of people, many of them his family members who knew him longest and best.
I remember growing up with Tony, and of course to my family this is not new. Tony was humble. He's been consistently the brother who is not in the forefront, but he would be the one who is humble, assured, and he would be my reinforcement. You could talk to Tony about anything.
Up to the time of his death, Anthony Smith served as the Chief Executive Officer of the RJ Communications Group. The group's executive chairman reflected on his contribution made in the corporate world.
He brought perspective in moments of uncertainty and calm in moments of challenge. That is no small gift. As we honor Tony today, we are not merely reflecting on a life well lived, we are reaffirming the values he stood for. Fairness, integrity, and respect. His legacy lives on in the institutions he helped to shape, the people he guided, and the standards he set for what good leadership looks like. Tony Smith made a difference, and more importantly, he made that difference the right way.
In addition to his years as serving the RJ Communications Group, Mr. Smith also held executive roles in telecommunications in Jamaica and the wider Caribbean, including at Cable and Wireless and Massey Technologies. Anthony Smith was born on April 3, 1964 and died December 14, 2025. Nakinsky Robinson, TVJ News.